Welcome to Biz Wire. I'm Joseph Nordstrom in Beijing. China's currency, the renminbi, has been on a rocky road so far this year. After making gains against the U.S. dollar for 8 straight years, since hitting a high in January of 6.05, has since dropped off sharply to 6.21 to the dollar against market expectations. Officials are reforming how the currency is managed in hopes of freeing it within 2 years, which would give the central bank more tools to adjust economic policy. But these reforms are having effects on broad swaths of the economy. Reuters quoted a top Australian central banker who said this week that China's ambitions to allow its currency to float and open its capital account will likely be a seismic event for global markets. Reserve Bank of Australia Deputy Governor Philip Lowe said that history teaches us that financial deregulation is an inherently risky process, but that there are substantial payoffs if it is done well. Part of financial liberalization and economic reforms are allowing the market to decide which firms succeed and which ones fail. So far this year, China has already allowed a few defaults on corporate bonds, with analysts predicting many more to come. One sector that will no longer receive government support is the steel industry. The Financial Times cites a Macquarie Commodities research report saying that no smaller steel mills in China made a profit last year. They believe the Chinese government will allow some mills to default on loans this year to cut down on excess capacity in the sector and serve as a warning to other firms against taking on too much debt. This is having a profound impact on how companies and investors judge credit risk in the world's second largest economy. Reuters cited the treasurer of a Chinese bank in Hong Kong who says yuan internationalization could slow as losses mount on yuan-related products and demand falls. The recent drop in the yuan and the rise in perceived risk is cutting into interest in yuan products, but that this effect could be temporary as investors find their footing in a brave new world. You're watching Biz Wire on the Blue Ocean Network, China's first and only privately owned English language broadcast media. Our full episode can be seen on our website, BONTV/biz-wire. Let's turn now to Neil Jones for a quick look at a few stories that are buzzing through the markets.